What are reptile red blood cells? Have you ever wondered how reptiles manage to thrive in their environments? One key component of their survival is their red blood cells. So, what exactly are reptile red blood cells? Also known as erythrocytes, these specialized blood cells play a vital role in transporting oxygen throughout a reptile's body. Unlike the red blood cells found in mammals, reptile red blood cells are nucleated. This means they contain a nucleus, which is centrally positioned within the cell. This unique feature gives them an oval shape, setting them apart from the biconcave disc shape of mammalian red blood cells that lack a nucleus. The presence of a nucleus in reptile red blood cells affects their size and shape. Generally, these cells are larger and maintain their oval from throughout their lifespan. The nucleus houses the cell's genetic material and is involved in various cellular functions. In contrast, mammalian red blood cells lose their nucleus as they mature, allowing more space for hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen. When you look at reptile red blood cells under a microscope, you might notice that their cytoplasm can appear in different colors, such as orange, pink, or pale violet, depending on the staining technique used. Sometimes, you may even see inclusions or artifacts in the cytoplasm due to how the slides are prepared. One interesting fact is that reptile red blood cells have a long lifespan, typically ranging from 600 to 800 days. This is much longer than their mammalian counterparts. The extended lifespan is linked to the slower metabolic rate of reptiles. They also have a slower turnover of red blood cells, meaning there are fewer immature red blood cells present compared to mammals. When immature red blood cells are found, it often indicates a regenerative response, such as after anemia or during growth phases. Functionally, reptile red blood cells carry hemoglobin, which binds oxygen. However, reptile blood generally contains less hemoglobin than mammalian blood. This results in a lower oxygen-carrying capacity, which aligns with the typically lower metabolic demands of reptiles. In summary, reptile red blood cells are large, oval-shaped, and nucleated, with a long lifespan that suits the metabolic and physiological needs of reptiles. Their unique structure and slower turnover reflected the distinct circulatory and respiratory systems of reptiles compared to mammals. Understanding these characteristics is essential for anyone interested in reptile physiology and health.